Let's go to question number 752. Open the rock. This is medium question. Let's get into it. It has a lot of thumbs up. You have a rock in front of you with 4 circular wheels. Each wheel has 10 slots, 0 to 9. The wheel can rotate freely and warp around. For example, we can turn 9 to be 0, 0 to be 9. Each move consists of turning one wheel, one slot. The rock initially starts at 0, 0, 0, 0, a string representing the state of the 4 field. You are given a list that ends. That ends meaning if the rock displays any of these codes, the wheels of the rock will stop turning and you will be unable to open it. Given a target representing the value of the wheels that will unlock the rock, return the minimum total number of turns required to open the rock, or -1 if it is impossible. Okay, let's check example 1. That answer is this one, and the target is 0 to 0, 2. In this case, we're gonna start with 0, 0, 0, and then we will increase the first slot, and then also increase second slot, and then increase second slot one more time, increase last slot, and then increase last one more time, and then decrease first slot, and then we're gonna find it. So return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna return 6. Does this make sense? So okay, let's use this one. How are you able to do it? Yes. Which one is good for this approach? Yeah, that's right. This one is we needed to find the shortest path. In this case, BFS is the good solution. So we're gonna use BFS. To do that, we need to use Q. So Q, I wanna put start point. And then we also need to visit it. That is set. And first I put all of this one. So to now go into the dead end. And then we're gonna move. So we need to level. Level is the length of load, pass. So start with 0 and then okay. Also, how are we able to move each slot? Yeah, in this case there are several ways to use it. First is we gonna get one string and then convert it into the integer, and then we are able to increase and we are able to decrease. And then if that is not visited, we're gonna put into Q. Otherwise, but it take the more time to change string to integer and then integer to string. So if we use hash table, we're gonna a little bit make it fast. So this one we're gonna use I make graph, and then graph must be first is key, and then it has 2 items up and down. So this is up and this is down. So I need the 10 item in slot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this case, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is -1? No, 9. And then this is 1. In this case, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. we're gonna say so. If this is 0, we are able to move up is 9 and down is 1. Does this make sense? Okay, let's implement the code. First, okay, let's make it vegetate first. Vegetate is set, and then we're gonna put dead ends first to check edge case. Okay, let's say a dead end has start point. In this case, when you start, it will be locked, so we need to return negative 1. So in this case, 0, 0, 0, 0, and vegetate, we're gonna return -1. Does this make sense? Cool. And second, okay, let's make graph. We need graph, and then we need Q. Also, we need to level start 0. Okay, let's traversing the Q. So first, we need to iterate same amount of length of Q. To calculate level. So the first level root is 1, right? And then we're gonna go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna split. So first we need to check how many items in the level. So to do that is the reason why we iterating. So okay, now I get one item from Q. Current is Q pop left. If current is target, it's time to return level. And we increase 4 because slow is 4 digit. So, and then now we get next in graph current I. So first must be start point is 0, 0, 0, 0. So we get 0. At this time, 0 has 9 and 1. This one, each one is the next. So if first we are able to get 9, right? So we needed to change 9, 0, 0, 0. To do that, I will gonna add, this is I. Okay, let's say let's say this is I, then I need to combine current I plus next this one, right? Plus current I plus 1. And that means I will add this part and then this part, and then this part must be replaced to next. Does this make sense? So I'm gonna use this one. And then let's check if next not in vegetate, then I'm gonna vegetate, and then it now gonna put into the queue. Then it will be done next time. Okay, if we cannot find the path, hit -1. Looks good. Not bad. Okay, let's check with the time complexity. Time complexity, let's see. This one is big OD, where D is number of dead ends, and then this one is constant, and then this one constant level, and then this one, what is the maximum Q? I think the maximum Q must be big O 10 to the 4. Does this make sense? Because each slot has the 10 cases, so so 10 to the k, that is the constant, and then this one also constant, so time complexity is d, and then space complexity is also constant. Thank you.